We have been doing these trainings this is our third year now. I start posting pictures of videos of my jobs back in 2018. So people were like, man, you're doing nice work. You should do some training. And this is our 27th training so far. Yeah, I get to see more contractors using veneer stone in jobs because of the systems that you guys have now, the panels and all that. It's a lot easier to install, the jointless system. And I think the entrance natural stone has been there forever. Those are gonna be the jobs that are gonna be high-end jobs. As a contractor, a landscaper, I was scared about installing veneer or natural stone because I didn't know how to install it. But that's the beautiful thing about these trainings. We're teaching these contractors how to do it right. I think teaching guys the proper installation for hardscape jobs is that if we elevate the industry, then we are on the same page. It's good for everybody.